Hi, I'm Sally. Today we're going to talk about fall mulching. So I'm going to demonstrate quickly, because it's really rather chilly, a quick way to mulch your flower beds. Now I've got 5 top reasons why I mulch in the fall. And the number 1 reason is soil insulation. So when you apply mulch, it actually insulates the plant's root system, and it keeps it from having fluctuating temperatures. And so here we go. Now the first thing that you want to do is you want to remove as many weeds as you can. And it's easy enough to do. The weeds just come right out, hopefully. And then I will take the weeds and try to pull them out by the roots, and just get rid of them this way quickly. So it's an easy and effective way of removing weeds before you put your mulch down. Look at that. So also, the second reason is for weed suppression. So if the light can't get down to where the weeds are growing because it's covered by the mulch, then it's going to suppress the weeds. And hopefully next spring, now this is going to give us a jump start on next spring too. Now, I've cleared this out a bit, and this is just a quick demonstration. I've got a few more weeds and stuff here. Get rid of those, make quick work of it, and then we apply the mulch. Look how much better that looks. It also makes it aesthetically appealing, and it maintains the soil temperature and suppresses weeds, gives it nutrition as the winter comes along, and it breaks down the mulch, and it adds nutrients to the soil. So that's my top 5 reasons for applying mulch in the fall. Your garden is going to thank you with beautiful spring blooms or summer blooms, and you will be richly rewarded for mulching in the fall. Thanks for joining me today. Like, subscribe, comment if you've gotten any valuable content from this video. And I'll catch you in the next one.